How to slow down YouTube videos. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to slow down the YouTube videos, simply launch the YouTube application on your device. Sign in to your account. Now find and start playing the YouTube video that you want to slow down. Now select the gear icon at top right corner of this particular video. And from this menu box, you need to select playback speed. Now simply to slow down, you can make it to 0.25x or you can select to 0.5x or even 0.75x. So let's select 0.5x and the video will be slower down. When you start playing the video, the video will be played slower than the normal one. So following this step, you can easily slow down the YouTube videos. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.